YouTubers, this is Ray from Rayware Computers since 1996. Got my new YouTube page going. Not too bad, not too bad. It's only been about a month. Got my new website, rwcweb.com. Okay. If you've been failing at affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all the mistakes I've made and how to recover from them. If you're having problems getting your affiliate thing going, stop. Put your email in this box below. Okay. This isn't a lead magnet page because I'm not giving out anything here. It's an opt-in page to opt into my course. Okay, that's what it is. I'm going to reconstruct it, of course. Okay. Now I want to show you on Web Starts here how to make a landing page from a private label rights. Okay. Now with these private label rights, what they do is you can do this several different ways. Okay. Now you can just use this as a lead magnet if you're teaching people certain things.
Can I ask you a quick question?
Okay.
Do you know if your squeeze page is making you a profit or a loss? And by loss, I mean, are you getting the maximum number of conversions possible, or are you simply...
Okay, so they got that in there for the squeeze page part of it. There's different sections of it. And basically, you could just go to the video in each one and it'll tell you.
Are you interested in a straight
Okay. And they're all basically the same, but you can either, take this program and sell the whole thing if it's a master resell rights, okay? Or you can, just use this report to get people to opt in, okay? Again, I'm going to use my woodworking site as a sample, okay? Let me go here. Okay, the Ted's plans that I use to, get this free giveaway. Okay, I use that, have people as a lead magnet, get people in as a lead magnet, and, show them what else I have. In other words, like say if you're doing reports on dieting or whatever, you get a free lead magnet from the affiliate program that you're going through. But that's just not it. You don't just send them to that. There's other things that you can send them to. Like I make my own courses. And I would suggest you start learning about making your own product. Okay. Now this is the original squeeze page. Okay. And what you could do here with this, you could actually take this. And I've never tried it with the Web Starts. But we're going to see if we can extract this from there. Now, if you got a full hosting plan, you can upload it to your site. But on the free plan, they don't allow you to do that. So let's do that. That's on SEO. Okay, so I'm going to make, let's see, start from scratch. Okay, let's start from scratch here. You can certainly pick a template. Now, this here, if you do it here, you're going to buy a domain from them. Okay, so that was what, SEO. Let's just call it SEO for now. Okay, all right, it's not available, so then we're going to go RWC Web SEO. Okay, that's probably, hope that's not taken. Now, what they give you, excuse me, they give you all of the templates with the squeeze page and everything. Okay, now however primitive this is, if you actually just took this and loaded it up to your web hosting like Bluehost, okay, you could certainly use this. I know a guy that's been in the game since 2009 or something, and he uses these. Even his people tell him that his signups, they tell him that his sites are ugly. Okay, all right. So I just logged in. They pop you up with the thing, so with the video, the tutorial. Okay, so this is the URL. Okay, of course there's nothing there yet. This is what we just did, start from scratch, right? We're going to edit our site. Okay, now they have a quick tour for you. We're not going to do that now, so we're just going to leave this here. This here, we're going to get rid of that because you don't want any kind of you don't really want any kind of, you know, header menus on your squeeze page, okay? So we're going to start from scratch now. Let me see if we can add something here. Image, playlist, audio, video, okay? Now, you don't have any video files here yet. Alright, but I'm pretty sure it's not going to allow me to put a video file. Hang on while I find that folder. Okay, so it's telling me I need a paid thing, okay? So, now let's see what else we can utilize. Now, never give up. Now, we can put this in text, but I really wouldn't mind putting a video in it. And you can actually, like if it's on YouTube like this, okay, let's copy the embedded code and see if we can do it this way, okay? See if it'll give us some. Okay, we're going to do an embedded code. Paste. Let's see where that takes us. Oh, that is fan-frickin-tastic. Okay, kids? Look at this. Look at this. Okay, that's web starts, baby. Okay, so let's see. And honestly, I've never done this before as far as... okay, so we can actually change the height here. So let's put it like 500. Now, I also am going to be teaching you, you know, a lot of HTML. Okay, and this is part of the HTML code. All right, obviously, she's not going to take it like that. And to save the sake of time for the video, let's just do it over and let it do its own default. Okay, and that's the greatest thing about this kind of stuff. You know, you can literally, right? See, that's the guy. The video's kind of big, and you know what you got to do. You got to kind of experiment with it. But we're gonna leave that there. I kind of like that. Okay, see how that looks real quick. Whoops, I didn't save it. Didn't save it. Gotta save it. Okay, we don't want to share anything. Let's do not show this again. Okay, try and keep these videos short. Oh, that's fantastic. Okay, look at that. And there it is. Okay, now you can, again, you can upload this to your YouTube. You might be able to do it. I have it on my Google Docs, okay, but it's not really an embedded code. Let's just copy it, and just for shits and giggles, let's see what we can do with it, okay? Let's move this down. Okay, we'll move that down. And let's do another... And what you could do is you can literally take a picture of it and put a link to the video to open it in a new window. You know, like a light box. Okay, let's try this. Not sure if this will work. So never really, okay, that's just going to do me some code, and that's not going to be it. Okay, so there's no embedding code on you know, on Google Docs, okay? All right, so now, what are you going to put in here, okay? Now, if you look at their site that they gave you, okay? This is a picture. You right click on it, open picture, okay? So we can go ahead and we can go and let me get this out of the way because we don't need this anymore actually. Okay. Get rid of that just for now, okay? And you gotta love you gotta love this drag and drop. I mean, it's just freaking phenomenal, guys. It's phenomenal. Okay, I'm going to put the video there, and then we're going to put a heading up there. Now, when you do this, right? I know I just got rid of that. Okay. Now, what they do is they give you pretty much everything you need to do these and make it your own. Okay. Right. Squeeze page. Now it's usually okay. Now I already opened it up. It's the transcript of the video. Okay, and it you know, and it's got a bunch of text in here, and this is the transcript of the video. So we're just going to take this for now. Alrighty, we're going to take this for now, and we're going to go back here, and we're just going to double click on it. Okay, and we're going to put it there. And again, this ain't going to be too pretty because, you know, I'm obviously just making this video. Okay. Now let's just take this guy and stretch it out. Alrighty. Going to stretch it out. Now we're going to add a form. Woo, jumping around. My computer's been acting real funny today. Okay, we're going to add a form. About that, my computer's acting funny today. And I'm the computer guy. Okay, looking at a contact form right here. Okay, and of course we're going to size it down. Okay, and then we're going to add some text. Okay, let's keep that there just for now so the old man can keep his stuff going. And I love this too with this. I mean, this web starts, it's just so unbelievable. Okay, and then we write stuff. Put your best email, whoops, in the box below. Okay, and we like that. And of course, you know, if you want to look at my opt-in page really quick, all right, you know, you got to have this stuff at the bottom, of course, and this, I believe, it puts it in automatically. We're going to save it. Okay, we're going to view it, and there you have it. And we're talking, this is for free. Okay, you've got your own rebrandable product from private label rights, okay, which I think is fantastic. And, you know, one of the mistakes that I made in the beginning as I attempted to make my own programs and make my own, you know, product, okay, I was actually, because I've been a bodybuilder since, you know, my mother had me doing Jack LaLanne when I was 2 years old, okay. But long story short, I've been a bodybuilder my whole life, and way back in the 80s, I attempted to compete, but you know, it's just a crap thing with all the drugs and everything that they do. But I love the sport, and it's a way of life for me. Okay, so that they say, do what you know. So if you actually know something, or if you want to study something enough to know enough to make your own product, I highly suggest you do that. Because in the beginning, I hooked up with these gurus that totally frowned on it, and affiliate marketing. You know, you can literally take an affiliate marketing product like this, a private label rights product like this, and back then, I didn't even really know about the private label rights, okay? And you can very quickly and very easily make your own product, okay? So, and it's okay if you extract this from YouTube. The best way to do it, you know,
Do you know if your squeeze page is making you a profit?
the best way to do it is to upload the videos so you don't have it, unless you have a YouTube channel you want to take them to. Okay, so very quickly and easy. And remember, the web starts even on the free plan. Okay, they give you a certain number of emails. Okay, on their platform, they give you a certain number of emails as well. Okay, let me look up here real quick because I don't want these videos going over an hour anymore. Okay, so I know some people get bored. All right, so web starts is the shizzle, baby. It is the cat's meow, as we used to say in the old days. Okay, you have all these different types of things, and again, free website. Okay, this is a free website I just made in minutes. Okay, so this is Ray from Rayware Computers since 1996. Got my new YouTube channel going. I'm hoping you're liking and subscribe. Hit that notification button if you want to, have updates. Certainly, if you want to come here and send me an email, okay, you'll get on my Aweber list, and I highly suggest you have a system like Aweber in place. I'm going to put it all together for you and make it real nice and simple, okay? Take care.